Hello students, today we are going to review how to read a pay stub. So when I get a paycheck from my work, that is the money I am paid, and when I read the pay stub, that is the statement that tells me how much money I earned and how much money I take home with me after all deductions. So first let's review some vocabulary. Direct deposit. Direct deposit. That is when the company that you work for deposits the money that you take home straight into your bank account for you. You do not have to deposit yourself. Disability. Disability. That is the money withheld to pay disability benefits. Federal income tax. Federal income tax. Money withheld to pay federal income taxes to the government. FICA or FICA. FICA is money withheld to pay Social Security benefits to you when you retire. Gross pay. Gross pay, very important vocabulary. These are the total earnings for that pay period before any deductions, before any money is taken out. So gross pay is the hours you worked, the number of hours, times your rate of pay, how much you make an hour. That will equal gross pay. Hours. Hours. That's how many hours you worked. And individual state income tax. Individual state income tax. Money withheld to pay state income taxes. More money to our government. Then net pay. Net pay, another important vocabulary word, also called take-home pay, or the amount of money you have available to spend after all deductions are taken out. This is the amount of money for your check that you spend. Other deductions like savings or donations. Maybe your business has HSA, Health Savings Account. You can save money for medical bills, or a 401k where you can save money for retirement. Pay period. Pay period. The dates you worked for which you are being paid. Usually this is 1 week or 2 weeks. Rate. Rate. How much money you are earning each hour. So your rate of pay may be $10 an hour, $20 an hour, your rate of pay. Wage deductions. Wage deductions. Money taken out of every worker's paycheck. Year to date. YTD. Year to date. This means how much money you have made so far this year, just this year. Okay, now let's look at an example pay stub, or earnings statement they call it. Okay, now up here at the top you would have name and address of the business you work for, then your name, Social Security number, maybe an employee number. Then check number, that should match the same number that is on the check. And here you see pay period. These are the dates that I worked, and I'm getting paid for those in this check. And the check came to me on the pay date. Maybe it is 1 week later or 2 weeks later. In this case, it is just a couple of days, 2 days later. Now let's look at income. So this is gross pay, students. Gross pay for this pay period was $1,000. Then we have deductions. All of the deductions. All of the money taken out. For this paycheck, FICA, medical tax, $14.50. FICA Social Security, $62. Federal tax, $159.50. California state tax, $44.26. SDI, disability, is $10. So that's how much is taken out of this check. And altogether for the whole year, FICA medical tax, $72.50. FICA Social Security tax, $310. Federal tax, $797.48. California state tax, $221.31. And for SDI, total for the year, $50. This column is all year to date, okay? Down here we have year to date gross earnings. How much has this person earned so far this year? Gross pay before deductions, $5,000. How much has been taken out of the $5,000 to pay all of those deductions? How much from the gross pay? $1451.28. So the net pay, $5,000 minus $1451.28 equals the net pay, the take-home pay for the year so far, $3,548.72. That is all year to date. The total just for this check, though, $1,000 gross wages, gross pay, deductions $290.26 for this check, and the net pay for this check, take home pay that I get to spend, $709.74. I hope this video has helped you, students. Please feel free to watch it again. Have a great day.